Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be taking you through this Nonoichi Curry Fest 2022 festival. Here you can see different stalls have been put up. Let's ask few questions to these people. So we are here in the Johnny's Biryani cafe, and here is the chef, and here also is the chef. That's a great thing. So can you tell more about what to know about making biryani? Can you tell something about that?
Yes. I went to India to learn biryani.
Okay.
When I'm a student,
Okay.
I've been to India in summer vacation and spring vacation. I spent 2 months in Hyderabad, India.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and every day, every lunchtime, every dinner time, I went to Bawarchi Biryani restaurant, and I ate chicken biryani and mutton biryani at both at one time.
Okay, that's great. So did you learn from the Babaji Biryani in Hyderabad?
Yes, Bawarchi and another restaurant.
Okay, okay,
I
that's
saw
great.
how they make biryani and I ate it. Oh, okay, maybe I will cook like this way become.
Oh, because you got inspired from that place and you have opened a restaurant in the Nonoichi. Okay,
Yes,
that's great.
that's right.
Can you show me the biryani, the way you're making? So here is the biryani.
Yeah, this is traditional Hyderabadi kachi murgi biryani.
Okay, kachi murgi biryani, and is this the whole thing?
Yeah.
So they make in a small amount, not a big in a big pot. That's
Yeah.
a great thing. And what is this?
This is a curry, sag chicken and keema curry.
Oh, keema curry. So
Yes.
you have keema curry and rice.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Thank you very much for showing like everyone, giving the taste of everyone about the Indian biryani.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavad. Hi.
Hi. English. Okay. So you make a curry here?
You make?
Curry.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm from India.
Ah, India.
Okay. So we make a lot of curry. You might be knowing.
Sorry. Very sorry.
We make a lot of curry, different types of curry in India.
Sri Lanka.
Oh, Sri Lanka. Oh.
Yeah. In the north.
Okay. So you know Sri Lankan curry?
Yes, Sri Lanka curry.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, thank you.
So like what type of curries do you make here? Different curries what you make here?
Two.
Oh, what is the name?
Pork vindaloo.
Oh, pork.
This India.
Oh, okay. Pork?
Pork vindaloo.
Oh, pork brinjal.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Sri Lanka. ちょっとこれ待ってよ。
oh, sorry. No, no.
Okay.
And here,
Sri Lanka curry.
oh, Sri Lankan curry.
Today's curry.
Okay, date curry. Okay.
Today's curry. Pork.
Oh, pork is there in that. Okay, that's great. Yeah, so you have learned from Sri Lanka about making curry.
Yes.
Little bit?
1 week.
Oh, 1 week? Okay, that's great. So where is the restaurant in Nonoichi?
No.
No restaurant.
Komatsu, you know?
Oh, Komatsu, I know. I'm from Nomi City, Jess.
隣やしね。
So in Komatsu,
Nomi City?
Nomi City?
Komatsu City.
Oh, Komatsu City. Okay. So you don't have a restaurant?
Don't have restaurant.
Do you have a restaurant?
Yes, it's shop.
Okay. You have a shop
Yes.
in Komatsu City. Oh, that's great.
In Komatsu Nishicho.
Oh, So in Komatsu, you can come to the Nishisho restaurant. So it's a very oh.
ホテルのね
Oh, so here is Nishisho curry restaurant. You can go there. It's she makes a good amount of dishes here on curry, Sri Lankan curry. Yeah, it's a great thing. Thank you very much. Arigato. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Hi. So you make curry here? English?
Nice.
Huh? Rice.
Nice way.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes. Okay. Thank you. Do you speak English? English? Yeah, okay. ちょっと So what type of curry do you make? What different type of curry do you make?
Do you make?
Oh, what curry do you make? Just one.
どうやってカレー作ってるか How to カレー
Curry. So
動画なんか What do you...
すみません。
カレーメイク
こんにちは。
酒かすです
はい。
いいんで一応来る
No?
Japanese original curry.
Oh, this is Japanese original curry.
Japanese
Oh,
original
arigato.
Oh, Japanese sake. 日本酒。
This is Japanese sake?
Oh,
Sake is drink.
So drink or Japanese sake make oh.
Sorry. ごめんなさい。Sorry. Oh, Liz. Okay. ごめんなさい。
わかりました。さすが。携帯使いこなしてますね。